Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video ay magre-review tayo ng isang trending earning application na available po sa Play Store. Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and for today's video may i-review tayo na application. Ito ay si Trivia Legends. Early access siya. Ito yung kanyang profile. At meron siyang 500,000 download. Ngayon, try na natin siyang gamitin. Click natin tong continue. And then, wait lang natin mag 100% para mabuksan daw siya. Meron ditong stage 1. At, ayan, parang meron siguro silang quick tutorial or simple tutorial para sa mga bagong user nito. Nakalagay, which animal has the longest neck of any land animal? Okay. Giraffe. Madali lang naman eh. First payday daw, may nakuha tayong 2,000 coins. Click natin tong tap to claim. And then, answer 5 questions correctly in a row to earn bonus reward daw. Unlock a milestone rewards after 10 questions. Your reward is based on your correct rate. What do cows primarily eat? So, grass. Dito tayo, bawat tamang sagot is meron tayong ma-receive na coins. Tapos dito daw, items are waiting for you to buy. Go see what's in shop. Pwede daw tayong mag-buy dito ng mga halaman gamit yung coins na naipon natin. So, click natin tong okay. Go. Start. Next naman natin, what drinks is made from fermented grapes? Ha? Wine? Ayun, tama yung sagot natin. Then, next, ano to? Puzzles. Which animated The Lion King? Which animal is known as man's best friend? Dog. Tapos dito guys, yung coins na nakuha natin, kapag may ganito, yung super daw, kailangan nating manood ng video ads kapag super rewards or ito yung ma-receive natin. May mga ads na naman sila dito, dyan sila kumikita guys, dyan sila nagkakaroon ng revenue. Next, pwede natin gamitin to guys, power-ups to or props, tsaka itong nasa baba. May trophies dito, para saan yung trophies na yan? May ma-receive tayo ditong mga ganyan, trophies. Okay. Next naman natin, lalaroin natin ulit natin siya, binoculars. What do you use to tell how warm? Thermometer. Basic reward lang ulit. And then, guys, ayan, may nag-pop up na video advertisement. So, no choice pa rin tayo kahit na mag-exit tayo sa mga video ads, is meron pa rin talaga. Ayan, then next nakalagay dito, which sense is associated with ears? Huh? Hearing. Okay. What is the term for water in solid form? Ice. Basic rewards lang ulit. Which city is known as the city of love? Paris. Nakasagot tayo ng 10 question. Tapos, ayan, pag nakakasagot tayo ng 10 question is meron tayong ma-receive na gifts na may lamang coins. So, click natin tong continue. And then, meron pa sila ditong pa-fortune box. Naka-receive tayo ng 260 coins. Tapos, ayan, guys, may advertisement na naman. Walang katapusang advertisement. So, ipopost lang natin yan. Okay, next na tayo. Doon na tayo sa homepage. Ay, ano to? Tapos, meron sila ditong daily rewards. Basic rewards lang. Claim. X natin. Achievements. Claim ulit natin yan. Claim. Tapos, next natin is, ano tong wealth zone? Ito yung ano. Binabay pala nating items. Nakaka-claim pala tayo doon. Ayan yung mga items eh. Nakaka-claims pala tayo ng earnings. Next natin, doon na tayo sa exchange. Wag na nating patagalin pa yung review dito. Bale, meron silang payment method. Ayan, Visa, Mastercard, GCash, Maya, and Coins.ph. Ang pinaka-minimum niya, guys, try nating i-screenshot. Ayan. Ang pinaka-minimum niya is 6,000, 9,000, 12,000, 15,000, 18,000, and 30,000. Ito yung coins. Ayan. Yung naipon natin, Yung naipon natin kasi is 2,000. So, i-click nyo tong max para maano nila yung pinakang balance natin. So, kada 100 coins daw pala is 29 pesos. So, yung naipon natin na 2K is nasa 500 na. So, meron na pala tayong 581 pesos and 40 centavos. Pero sad to say, once kahit ma-reach natin or i-reach natin yung 6,000 na minimum, hindi natin siya ma-receive, guys. Fake po kasi yung application, kaya ako nga po ni-review. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung meron dun sa app. And, ayan, sinabi ko na din agad-agad yung kung anong meron dito, kung paying ba siya or not. So, ito is fake. Napaka-fake po nitong application na to, guys. Ang kikita lang dito is yung developer, hindi po kayo. Kasi kahit ma-reach nyo po yung 6K na yan, hindi nyo din po yan ma-receive. Kahit i-cash out nyo po yan, wala pong darating sa inyong GCash account. So, be aware po ganitong kumakalat ng mga fake earning application dahil kayo lang po yung pagkakakitaan nila. Sila yung kikita sa inyo sa dami ng video advertisement na mapapanood po ninyo. So, ayun guys, ito ko na tinatapos tong video na to and thank you for watching.